What if I told you there's a business model that lets you earn while you sleep, scale without limits, and solve real-world problems all with just an internet connection? Welcome to SAAS in 2025, where the possibilities are endless and the future of entrepreneurship is at your fingertips. Ready to unlock the blueprint to building your own software empire? Let's get started. So, what exactly is SAAS? SaaS stands for Software as a Service. It's cloud-based software that customers can access from anywhere at any time, simply by subscribing. No installation, no bulky downloads, just seamless usability. Think about platforms you use daily: Netflix, Slack, Canva, or Shopify. All of these are SaaS. Now, why is SaaS exploding in 2025? The rise of remote work has made collaboration tools essential. Businesses are shifting to subscription models for predictable revenue streams. AI and automation are making SaaS smarter and more impactful than ever. The best part: you don't need a huge company to start, you just need the right idea. In 2025, SaaS is evolving fast. Here are the top trends driving the industry. AI-powered everything. AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. SaaS platforms use AI for personalized customer experiences, automated workflows, and predictive analytics. Vertical SaaS instead of broad, one-size-fits-all solutions. Niche-specific SaaS is thriving. Whether it's software for dentists, real estate agents, or educators, targeted solutions are dominating. No-code revolution. Platforms like Bubble and Webflow let anyone, yes, even non-techies, create SaaS products without coding. If you've got the idea, the tools are at your fingertips. Cybersecurity SaaS. With increasing threats, businesses are prioritizing tools to secure their operations. These trends are creating endless opportunities for innovators like you. Now, let's get practical. How do you start your own SaaS business? Here's your step-by-step roadmap. Find a problem. Start by identifying a pain point in a specific industry. The more niche, the better. Example: a scheduling tool for veterinarians or inventory management for boutique retailers. Build an MVP, minimum viable product. You don't need to launch a perfect product. Build a simple, functional version to test the market. Use tools like Bubble for no-code development or hire a developer. Choose a pricing model. Will you offer subscriptions, freemium plans, or pay-as-you-use pricing? Keep it simple and scalable. Launch and iterate. Release your product, gather feedback, and keep improving. The beauty of SaaS is that you can continuously update and adapt. Scale with marketing. Leverage social media, content marketing, and partnerships to attract your first 100 users and beyond. Don't forget SEO and paid ads for long-term growth. Why is SaaS the ultimate business model for 2025? Recurring revenue. With subscriptions, you earn consistently every month. Global reach. A SaaS business can scale worldwide with no physical inventory or borders. Low overhead, no manufacturing, no shipping, no storage, just a lean, profitable operation. Flexibility. Work from anywhere, hire remote teams, and adapt to market changes in real time. SaaS is more than a business, it's freedom. And you don't need a big team or millions in funding to succeed. Start small, think big, and grow fast. Of course, every opportunity has its challenges. In SaaS, it's about standing out in a competitive market, maintaining cybersecurity, and keeping customers happy. But here's the good news: with the right niche, a customer-focused approach, and consistent improvements, the sky's the limit. The question is, are you ready to take the leap and build a software empire? Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time is now. Start brainstorming your SaaS idea today. If you want help refining your concept or building your MVP, and if you're serious about creating a scalable, profitable business, subscribe to this channel for more actionable tips. Your SaaS success story starts here. Are you ready to make it happen?